$5 for hummus? Really?
After watching this video, I hope you realize that making hummus at home is really worth it. Making hummus at home is really cheap and cost effective, and it tastes super delicious. It's way better than the store-bought one. I highly encourage you to try it yourself. On top of that, if you got all the ingredients, it should take you no more than 15 to 20 minutes to make fresh hummus right at home. To make hummus, you need tahini sauce, which could be homemade or store-bought, chickpeas, which you could also buy at store in a can, or you can make fresh by boiling it at home. Also, you would need some garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and some water, and also some cumin. Full recipe in both metric and imperial units is listed in the description below. To start this recipe, I'm going to start by pouring in the tahini sauce. You can easily make this at home, or you could buy it from the store. Either way, you want to make sure that it's pretty smooth in texture. If you want me to show how to make tahini sauce, let me know in the comments below and I'll post that recipe. Next, you want to go ahead and blitz the tahini sauce. Blitz it for about a good minute or two, or until the texture becomes quite smooth, kind of like mine. Doing this step will make our hummus a lot creamier and smoother in texture. Next, you want to start gradually adding in your olive oil. For this recipe, I'm using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in total. Next, you're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. You can tweak this recipe according to your taste. Also, I added about 1 clove of garlic. Go ahead and mix that in and then add in the rest of your olive oil and then continue to blitz it for another minute. At this point, your tahini sauce should be nice and creamy. Next, you want to go ahead and add in your chickpeas into your food processor and then go ahead and blitz that all together. Since I don't have a big food processor, I'm doing it in stages, but if you have a big food processor, just put it all in once. Also, if you start seeing some lumps forming in, just take a spatula and mix your chickpea mixture. To make the hummus rich and creamy, we're going to continually add some water. The water is what allows it to become creamy after a while. While checking, I saw that my hummus was getting there. It wasn't quite creamy like I wanted, so I kept adding more water and kept blitzing it. To reach a nice, creamy consistency, it should take you on a good processor 5 to 6 minutes. For seasoning the hummus, I added about half a teaspoon of salt and mixed that in properly. And before blitzing the hummus again, I added a splash of water. And to add some tanginess, I added some lemon juice. It was about a half medium-sized squeezed lemon. Finally, I blitzed it for another minute or two and then added some more water to get that final creamy texture. Again, blitz it one more time. And that was pretty much it for getting a nice, rich, creamy consistency for a hummus. Decorating the hummus was quite easy. That's why I had my wife do it. I'm just kidding. She's more creative, that's why I told her to decorate it, because I suck at that. But basically, she topped off the hummus with some olive oil. She placed some cooked chickpeas in the middle for decoration, added a few dashes of paprika, and topped it off with some nicely freshly chopped cilantro. As a result, this hummus became Instagram worthy. The final product was really delicious. This homemade hummus is really nicer and much better than the store-bought one. This is top-notch Middle Eastern restaurant quality type of hummus. What I realized is the time that it takes to make hummus, it all depends on your food processor. Unlike my food processor, if you have a good quality food processor, it should take you a good 5 to 6 minutes to make hummus. It took me slightly longer because I had a really bad quality food processor. If you do decide to make this hummus, do tag me along in Instagram. I would really love to see how you did your hummus. In the end, I'm really happy how this recipe turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I look forward to hearing your feedback in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, do remember to subscribe and give it a like. That's it for now. Here's a B-roll of everything.